What is up, guys? Back with another video. We are gonna go work on the lining. We got our parts in. We got our pulley. I have to change my mass airflow sensor. I uploaded the tune for the lining and it would die. I'm gonna replace that first and then see if that's it, and hopefully that does the trick. But right now I'm whipping the fucking SS. I don't know what the fuck that noise is either, cuz.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
The seat's torn, but I mean, what do you expect from an old truck? It's pretty nice, but the hood's faded. This truck's pretty nice, just the seat's all torn. The passenger's good. The back seats are pretty nice too. I don't think there's any rips in them. No vale verga. The first thing you do when you get an old truck like this, you gotta make sure the horn works. And it does. It has an aggressive tune on it. I don't like the way it kicks. That's my brother-in-law's truck. He traded his Camaro for this SS. Damn, dog, this one's all beat up and shit. SS with GMC wheels. Alright guys, we're almost done with the truck. We got the pulley on. We're just wiring the E-fans. Please started the pulley. This one was the one that was fucked up, the bearing. What do you mean ew? Because it's a Cogged setup. Hey, put the keys in and then step on the brake. She's gonna do it wrong, watch. Turn it. Press the brake. No, don't turn it.
I'm supposed to use the word retard, right? Everybody knows that, but I like the word retard.
Why'd you graining? I was like, fuck no. That should be louder, but the tune I have, it's my old tune and it has set for it's idle at 800 RPMs. Alright, cuz we're gonna slap on the homie sticker. How many is this fucking sticker? Just send me 3, bro, because I'm gonna fuck this one up. Maybe y'all cricket and shit. Keep that piece of shit accessible. Oh shit. Rascals, cuz. Fucked it up.
Yeah, you're dumb.
I'm not good at putting stickers on. Hey, I'm gonna have to buy another sticker, bro. Looks good though. Far away, it looks good.